The health of the battery is the true key to the performance and long-term worth of electric automobiles, which are quickly emerging as the transportation of the future. An EV battery is more than just a source of electricity. It is the most costly part of the whole car. Whether your automobile will continue to be strong and efficient for many years, or begin to lose performance and range far sooner than anticipated, depends on how you treat it. The majority of EV owners destroy their batteries on a regular basis without comprehending the long-term consequences. The most crucial, scientifically supported advice is provided in this script to assist you prolong the life of your EV battery and maintain the durability of your vehicle. Number 7. Avoid charging to 100% daily. Although it may seem like the ideal approach to increase range, charging your EV to 100% capacity every day actually gradually deteriorates the internal chemistry of lithium-ion batteries. When a battery is fully charged, the high voltage puts the cells under continuous pressure, which speeds up chemical reactions that cause long-term deterioration. Because of this, practically all EV manufacturers advise limiting daily charging to about 80 or 90%. This is because maintaining the battery in the middle range lessens stress and enables the cells to age somewhat more slowly. Only when you are getting ready for a long trip where you really need the extra range should you fully charge. According to studies, drivers who regularly keep their batteries between 20 and 80% can greatly increase its lifespan and sustain performance for years longer than those who continuously use it to its full potential. Number 6. Do not let the battery drop to zero. Although it might seem innocuous, allowing your electric car battery to drop to 0% is actually one of the worst things you can do to an EV. The intrinsic chemistry of lithium cells becomes unstable when the voltage drops to extremely low levels, which can result in an irreversible loss of capacity. The battery may go into a state known as deep discharge if it is left empty for an extended period of time, in which case the battery management system will shut down everything to preserve itself. In certain situations, the battery can even require expert maintenance or replacement. Recharging your EV once it reaches 10 or 15% is the easiest way to prevent this. This avoids needless stress and maintains the cells within a healthy working range. Consider your battery in the same manner as you consider your bank account. It should never be at zero. Number 5. Use fast charging only when necessary. One of the most intriguing aspects of contemporary electric cars is fast charging. It makes regular commutes more convenient and extended travels easier by enabling you to shift from a low battery to a usable charge in a matter of minutes. But quick charging also generates a lot of heat, and heat is the biggest threat to lithium batteries. Large amounts of current are rapidly pushed into the battery by high-power DC chargers, and this speedy energy transfer causes the cells to heat up. Frequent fast charging can eventually cause batteries to deteriorate more quickly and lose capacity. It's perfectly acceptable to use rapid charging on occasion, particularly for emergencies or road trip, but relying on it daily will reduce the battery's lifespan. Slower AC charging at home or at work is a healthier option for everyday charging because it keeps the battery cooler, which is essential for long-term performance. Number 4. Protect the battery from extreme heat. High temperatures cause batteries to deteriorate considerably more quickly, which is a big worry for EV owners in hot locations. The internal battery temperature rises when an EV is parked in direct sunshine or subjected to intense heat for extended periods of time, which speeds up the chemical breakdown of the cells. Severe heat can gradually harm battery health even while the car is off. Although many EVs, such as Tesla and Hyundai, have thermal management systems that actively cool the battery, these devices also use energy and are unable to totally prevent heat-related aging. Parking in shady spots, using a garage, or turning on cabin and battery preconditioning are the best options. The length of time the battery lasts and the amount of range it maintains over time can be significantly impacted by keeping your car free of intense heat, even by a few degrees. Number 3. Avoid frequent hard acceleration. The quick torque that provides strong acceleration without any weight is one of the best features of electric vehicles. Although flooring the accelerator is thrilling, doing it too frequently strains the battery even more. Internal resistance rises and heat is produced inside the cells as a result of hard acceleration, which draws energy from the battery very quickly. Repeatedly, high-power demands over time accelerate battery deterioration and lower overall efficiency. Hard acceleration on occasion is safe, but regular use can reduce battery life. In addition to increasing your driving range, smooth driving and gentle acceleration maintain the battery healthier and cooler. Regenerative braking adds another advantage by capturing energy and reducing the load on the battery during stop-and-go driving. Number 2, keep your EV software updated. Electric cars rely heavily on software to manage every part of the battery system, from temperature control to energy distribution. Staying updated with the latest software ensures that your battery management system is working with the most efficient algorithms available. Manufacturers frequently release updates to improve charging curves, enhance cooling efficiency, and optimize how the battery performs in different weather conditions. These updates can meaningfully improve battery health and performance without you ever touching a tool. Ignoring updates means missing out on improvements that could protect the battery, increase range, and extend overall life. With EVs, software is just as important as hardware, and keeping your system updated is one of the easiest ways to protect your battery. Number 1, use scheduled charging instead of full overnight charging. Leaving your EV plugged in overnight and charging all the way to 100% is a habit that many owners follow, but it is not ideal for long-term battery health. When a battery remains at high charge levels for long periods, the internal voltage stays elevated, which accelerates chemical aging of the cells. The solution is to use scheduled charging, a feature available in almost every EV. This allows you to set a time for charging to begin so that it finishes shortly before you start your drive. If you usually leave for work at 8 in the morning, you can schedule your charging to complete around 7:30. This keeps the battery in the healthier mid-charge range overnight and only raises it close to full when you actually need it. This simple change reduces stress on the battery and helps preserve long-term health. By following these smart habits, you can dramatically extend your EV battery life, protect your investment, and keep your car running at peak performance for many years. These tips are simple to follow, yet they make a powerful difference in long-term battery health. If you found this script helpful and want more smart car advice, make sure to like and subscribe for future updates.